Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lately I've been testing out a new tool that's been getting a lot of attention, and honestly, it surprised me in the best way. If you've ever felt frustrated juggling 5 different apps just to create one piece of content or run a simple campaign, you're definitely going to want to hear about this. It's called GoogleVault, and it's designed to pull all of Google's most powerful AI tools into one clean dashboard so you can work faster, easier, and way more efficiently. Instead of bouncing between writing tools, design apps, automation platforms, and a dozen subscriptions, GoogleVault gives you direct access to everything in one place. Models like Nano Banana AI, VO3, Imagen, Bard, Cody, Music LM, and even upcoming Google models are all built right in. You tell it what you want, and it picks the perfect AI engine automatically. No coding, no setup, no learning curve. What I love is how quick everything is. Need a script, a design, a web page, even a full workflow. Type it once and GoogleVault handles the entire process in seconds. It also comes with lifetime access, built-in tutorials, automation tools, and a commercial license so you can sell anything you make. If you're looking to save time, cut costs, and level up your content or business, this is definitely something worth exploring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.